Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. And guys, I'm so happy to have you here today, and I hope you have stopped and clicked on this video because you want to know more about Prime Promedics Beauty is Ageless. This is a skincare and makeup for mature women, and it's so good that I really think anyone can use it. And Hannah has sent me over a product, a new launch product that I got back in March and before the April launch, and I have been using it and trying it out for over a month now, and I thought I would open this up and review it all at once because I have used it, I have had results, and you will want to hang on tight and see what they have been, and you will want to hear more about this. Now, Prime Promedics, like I said, is for mature women, and Hannah sent me this product and she said, please try it out. I was even part of the survey. So when you read about the results, when they say 90% or 95% or whatever the percentile is, one of them percentiles is me, Miss Jackie Russell, because I use this product and I found it to be excellent. And I couldn't wait to share it with you guys, but I wanted to give it some time, of course, and so did they. And I also wanted to let their launch happen because, you know, when they do launches and they pre-launch, they have a lot going on. But it is PrimeSkin Magic Serum. This is a 30 ml bottle. It's excellent. I love it. I can tell you I've been using it in place of my regular hyaluronic acid, and you guys know what brand that is if you watch my channel. I'm not going to mention any other brands, but I am going to tell you that I've only used this in the past 5 to 6 weeks, so as far as a serum goes. So I just want to be clear on that. I use this as a magic serum, just like it says, PrimeSkin Magic Repair Serum. And guys, this technology is really great. So I'm going to tell you a little bit of information about this so you'll have a better understanding of this product. Now, I will tell you, one of the reviews says, this feels like heaven on my parched skin. PrimeSkin Magic Repair Serum has started filling out the lines on my forehead and my neck. Plus, I don't feel that stretchy dryness anymore. Going with everything, lovely, lightweight product. So you can use this with your other products. So it's not just meant, you know, like if you've got a favorite moisturizer, other type products that you put on, but you want to use this for your serum, like for your hyaluronic acid, this is what it's for. And this is great for neglect, decades of neglect and exposure. If you're one of those persons that really didn't take care of their skin when they were younger and now you're trying to do it, this magic serum could be your answer. And you think you're too late for skincare? No, you're not too late. It's never too late to start. And it says, how about a clean slate for mature skin? And it says, meet PrimeSkin Magic Repair Serum, hydrating, wrinkle smoothing, plumping elixir for women over 50. It's fragrance free. It's 2 times the hyaluronic acid of most bottles that say they have hyaluronic acid, and it's hyperallergenic. Now, what makes this so great? Well, it's a dew-like and easily absorbed. It has 2 of the hyaluronic acids along with 9 ultra-hydrating actives, banish dryness while visibly smoothing dry, stubborn wrinkles. Plump, juicy, voluptuous, lifted thanks to a repaired moisture tamer and protects against sun and environmental damage. And it preserves an ever radiant you. And like I said, it hydrates and plumps. There's lots that goes on with this, and it's a multi-benefit, and there's been lots of results, and I'll show y'all some pictures across there of some before and after. A lot of things that women experience after, 50, and you may even feel it sooner, is dryness, and your skin feels stretchy. It's not really plump anymore, or you have red and inflamed skin, or you got deep lines and wrinkles. And this hydration, there goes some heavy duty thunder. Yeah, we're having thunderstorms today. but I don't know when this is going to come out exactly. But anyways, there's lots of things. It's a gentle formulation. It calms inflamed skin. That's if you're having the red inflamed skin. If you've got dry lines and wrinkles, it's got the mixture of hyaluronic acids in it. It's an easy snap to plump and volumize your skin. Okay, here's some of the numbers. 94.4% of the women found their skin to be more plump and hydrated from the first use of PrimeSkin Magic Repair Serum. I would have to say I noticed that. It says 83.3% women saw visible reduction in lines and wrinkles after 30 days continuous use. And I did see that as well. And I've seen the plumpness of my skin. And then 100% said that women said that PrimeSkin Magic Repair Serum soothed their skin and didn't cause irritation or breakouts. Because you deserve more, they say that they could label this as the holy grail for dull, dry, flaking skin and call it a day. That would be a lie. This sodium hyaluronic is a humectant, not a hydrator. It may hold up to 1,000 times its weight in water, but it doesn't produce moisture, so it's retaining moisture. Hyaluronic acid and the sidekicks. Well, aloe vera is a true hydrator. It's wet with its own water, and they use aloe barbadensis leaf extract in their plant. So that's the actual plant. You break the plant off, and you've got all that aloe vera extract in there. That's what they're using. Have you ever broke off a plant? Well, that's what they're doing. It's in this bottle, and it's great for your skin. And then it says meet betaine. Betaine is underappreciated by Big Beauty. Butane can act as a reservoir, and it is showing, and I'll put a picture across there about the reservoir here. It drenches all the layers of mature skin in the hydration, greedily gobbling it up by the hyaluronic acid molecules, releasing its moisture payload when needed. And I have to agree with that. My face never feels dry. I mean, it's been feeling really great. It's speedy for line and wrinkle plumping. It's intense, multi-level for long-stay moisturization. It's smooth to the touch and bouncy skin is what it calls it. And like I said, I'm going to show a picture going across there. And then there's just numerous testimonies, and you can go on their site and see that. But I just want y'all to know that I have found this to be very, 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 very good. And I wanted to share it with you. I want to show it to you now. This is really thick, but it's not like sticky on your skin. But I'm just going to let some drop out here, and let's see if we can see it. You see that drop? It's staying solid. I mean, it is draining, but it's keeping its composure. And this is just so rich. And it goes on, and you put it on, and then you tap it on your face. And I could probably put some on there right now. Maybe I'll just pat some of this on right now, because it's just going to pull in moisture. And if other brands say you can use their hyaluronic acid, I'm fixing to lose my lights, guys. I'm going to have no power. May have to start this film over. So just so you know, I may go dark in here. Okay, but this product is great. I have found it to smooth out lines on my forehead, on my face, to smooth it and plump it down here on my neck, my jawline, I think. Because I'm 64, so I mean, gravity's really starting to pull on me. Look at my arms. I never used to have that. I wonder if I could use magic serum on my arms. I might try it, but I'm just telling you that this works. And it's only like, I want to say it's $69 or $89. Let me go back and see how much it is. Because Hannah, I told you Hannah has sent this over to me free for review, but she also has given me a code for you guys, and it's Miss Jackie Russell, and you can use that code and save 15% on your entire order. It doesn't have to be just the PrimeSkin Magic Serum. Guys, I was high on both my numbers. This is $64. This is very affordable. I can't tell where my level is, from this jar, but I do know that it still feels pretty full, and you only need that one dropper full that I just showed you to get the bang, and you only need it, during the day. Now you can put it on during at night if you want to, like clean your face and put some more on. I have done that. So it can be for night and day. And let me see what it says on here. Well, it says on here to apply 2 to 3 drops, and I just showed y'all one because I was putting it on there. I will tell you what I usually do is I fill mine up to like that far, and then I just squeeze that out, and whatever comes out, that's what I use, and it's always plenty. So this is affordable, it's long lasting, and it works on your skin, and I highly recommend it. And like I said, you can use my link. I am an affiliate with PrimeSkin, so I may make a teeny tiny commission, but the biggest thing is you may see a big result in your face and your wrinkles and in plumping and in hydration. If you're having dry skin problems, this could be the answer for you, because they didn't call it Magic Serum for nothing, and they're not going to put their name on it if it doesn't work. I have brought in several other products besides their PrimeSkin that I use and works great. I use their PrimeSkin Indulge. This is a wonderful smelling facial cleanser, and it doesn't leave any residue, and it does have hyaluronic acid in it. Everything they have is made for mature skin. I use their PrimeSkin Beauty Water to remove my eye makeup. This is easy peasy. It just comes off so easy, no rubbing. Once again, it's got hyaluronic acid in it to retain that moisture. And they also have a PrimeSkin Protect, and this is a SPF 40, and guys, this has the consistency with hyaluronic acid in it. Look at that. It's not going to leave a white residue on your face. It's going to be nice and smooth, just right over your makeup, and then it dries down, and it too has hyaluronic acid. Everything they design is made for your mature skin and works excellent. Now in the makeup department, and I have videos on each one of these products, and I'll try to put links and maybe get a playlist that has them all in it. But they also have lipstick and mascara, and I have used all of it, and I love it, and that's why I'm bringing it in here and showing it to you guys, because it's been a while, and you might not remember all the products you can get with Prime Promedics. But they also have 5-in-1 wand. You can use it for your blusher, for your lips, for your eyeshadow. If you want to add a little color around your face, it is all in one, and it works great, and it has hyaluronic acid in it. They have this color, which is peach, and that's the color that I use the most. And then they have peony, which is pink, and I have used that. This is a little light for me. I need that little depth in the peach. And just to kind of show you what I'm talking about, there's the peach, and there's the pink. See, on me you can barely see it, and that's why I can't use it. It just doesn't hardly show up on me. I mean, I can see it when I'm looking at it, but it's just not there. So that's one reason I use the peach. I have a little bit darker skin, I guess. And they have lipsticks, and they have beautiful lipsticks. Woo! That hit close. Wow. That wasn't sound effects, that was real. That's what's going on right now. This here is my Raspberry Me. This is my favorite. And I'll just put some on right now. It's really pink. They have one that is more like a neutral, and this one is called Mocha. I don't know if it's neutral. It's a little bit darker. It's richer. It's Mocha Satin, and it's really pretty too, as you can see. And then we have one more that I have, and that is 03, and this is Kool-Aid. Now, isn't that pretty? Very, very pretty colors, and they can go with you night and day. Very moisturizing. Again, I have a video about the lips. And then they have their lip gloss, which is a plumper, and I use it too. And it's got K-sapien pepper in it for your plumping, but it doesn't sting. And we're going to have some more loud pops with the thunder and lightning. I'm going to have to hurry up. And then the last thing I'm going to show you real quick is mascara. They have black, they have blue. This is a real blue. Can you see that? Real blue. And then they have a brown, and this is a real brown. You can see that. So if you're looking for true colors, a brown and blue, of course black, you can find them at PRIMELASH. But what's great about this is it has serum inside that lengthens and helps your lashes grow stronger and longer.
Got hit by lightning.
Oh. Hey guys, I think my truck got hit by the lightning a while ago when we heard that big flash, boom. My son just came in to get my keys. My truck started itself, and we're not out there. The lights are on, the windshield wipers went on, so he's going to check it. I'll just have to give y'all an update. But like I was saying, those are all the cosmetics that I use and have from Primeskin, and I use on a regular basis. And I have been testing this out, and I would highly recommend the PrimeSkin Magic Repair Serum. This stuff is great. I love it. And don't forget, you can save 15% on your entire order with Miss Jackie Russell. I will have my links and my code down in the description. And that's all I have today for PrimeSkin. Okay guys, my truck did get hit by lightning. It's dead and it won't start. So I'm going to have to call Progressive Insurance. But as for today and Primeskin and their Magic Repair Serum, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye. A while ago, it was like a river flowing, and it's still lightning. I'm not going to stay out long, but you can see how much water we have. This is the flooding that I talk about. That's my truck over there that got hit by lightning. It's broke, it's fried, won't start. We had to disconnect the battery when it got hit by lightning. It left the lights on, and you can see the windshield wipers came on by themselves when it got hit by the lightning, and we had to undo the battery, but we couldn't start it or turn anything off or do anything. But this is the storms that we're having, and I just thought I would show y'all a little footage. So y'all have a blessed day. Keep us in your prayers. We've been having tornado warnings, but we hadn't seen that, but we've seen lots of lightning and lots of rain, and there's more to come tonight.